how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix photo mode missing on your TikTok. So once you're inside your application, and if you also have your photo mode missing on your TikTok, which is like this, if you don't have this photo, so first thing what you can do is, it might be the option or issue related to your TikTok not being updated. So just head over to your Play Store and just search in for TikTok application and make sure you have updated your application. So once you are done, you can simply open that and your particular issue should be fixed if it's regarding the box that is possibly causing that problem. So if it's not fixing the problem for you, so in that case what you can do is just head over to any web browser and just search in for TikTok feedback, or you can just also search in for to report a problem for TikTok. And from over here all you have to do is select your problem under the specific topic. Just select general account inquiry option over here and click on this specific problem. And if you don't find your problem, just tap on this other and give your username which you used in your TikTok and also your email as well as your additional details. So under additional detail, here is the thing where you can actually describe your official issue over here. So you may describe your issue something like this by typing over here, as you can see on the screen. So once you do all of that, just click on, you can also upload your additional attachment like screenshots under the different format like JPG or PNG. And once you do all of that, just tap on this enable option over here and just click on submit. And once the TikTok team reviews your problems, they will try to secure and help you with the fixing your photo mode missing issue on your TikTok. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.